going on, guys? You're watching Jack's Airsoft. Let's get into it.
But the sliding up pussy is a homicide. It's a homicide.
I mean, we have a lot of people that get killed with speed loaders. I don't know why I'm here.
What, dude? You get, imagine this. You get a kill, you just like say when. Damn, dude. Their team has 3 times as many people as us.
Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous. Ryan!
Let it rip! Let it run, dude! Oh, we're totally fucked.
We should create a wall.
No, absolutely. Everybody spread out. Oh, f they're running. Go, 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 go. Oh, dude, we're so fucked. We're so absolutely fucked. All right, we gotta... I'm gonna take your... Oh, shit, guys. Come on now. Brian, I'm gonna take your wide, and I'm gonna move up to the red square. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, moving up. Oh, I think I got him. All right, I'm running. Woo! Reloading, dude. I got Dan on my right, so.
Yeah, we're not doing the 3 thing.
God bless, man. I need a dump pouch. What? I know, I really can't get that shot. Oh, Dan's out. Ah! Hit!